Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about prepositions. Already we have finished nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs and verbs. So sixth type of words is prepositions. Already you have studied prepositions in your previous classes. Again I'll repeat, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word which shows relation between two nouns or pronouns in a sentence. Means whenever a sentence will be given, if the relation is shown between two nouns or pronouns in a sentence, then that relation is shown using a word, and that word is called a pronoun, preposition. See here, first example, the bird is on the branch of the tree. Now here bird is a noun and the branch is another noun, and the relation between two, bird and the branch, what is the relation? Bird is sitting on the branch of the tree, so that relation between the two is shown using the word on. So on is a preposition here. Rohan is in the class. Rohan is one noun and the class is another noun, and the relation between these two nouns is shown using the word in. So prepositions always appear after the verb. We have already talked about this pattern SVOCA: subject, verb, object, complement, adverb. Generally, prepositions are adverbial phrases in the class or on the branch of the tree. They always tell you know what is the relation between two nouns or pronouns in a sentence. So they always appear after verbs. See here, position after verb. Here verb is, here also verb is. So after verb generally prepositions appear. And after the preposition, remember there will be a noun, because preposition joins with a noun to show the relation of that noun to another noun in a sentence. So it appears before a noun and it shows its relation with another noun in a sentence. Now there are three types of prepositions: prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of position. In this video we'll talk about the first type, prepositions of time. Means those prepositions which show nouns and the time. Now the first is at. What for at is used in case of time? It shows fixed time. Now 2 p.m. is a noun. At 2 p.m., at 9 a.m., fixed time is shown using at. For example, he comes at 2 p.m. No, he goes at 9 a.m. like that. Another one is on. On is used in case of time with day or date. Whenever a day is given or any date is given, remember only day and date. For month and year we have to use in. See here, for example, he is coming on Monday. He is coming on 22nd of this month. So on for day or date. In is used for time taken for action. For example, I will complete this work in 30 minutes. He will come back in 2 days. Like this we have to use in. Next preposition is until. Until means up to the moment. It talks about a particular moment. For example, until 3 p.m. Until you come. I'll use these in sentences. No, he will not come until 3 p.m. So particular moment means that particular moment of 3 p.m. He won't come, he will not come until you come. Means until the moment of his coming. Next is before. Before means earlier to some time. For example, before 5 p.m., I'll use this phrase in sentence. He will come back before 5 p.m. No, we can't use at here. If we say at 5 p.m. means exactly at that moment. But when we use before means before 5 p.m. He may come at 4, no, 59, 4:58, 4:55, 4:50. It may be any time, but definitely before 5 p.m. Before the bell time. I will finish my lesson before the bell time. Definitely not exactly at the bell time. Last of these prepositions of time is during. During means at the time of particular period. Now see, before means before the deadline. Suppose 5 p.m. is deadline, before that only, not at that particular moment. But during covers up the whole period of that particular action. For example, school time. Now actually school time means maybe 9. Generally school start at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to say 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So that time span is covered from 9 a.m. to 2 or 3, whatever it may be. For example, this principle is available during school time. During school time means from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So anytime during that period only. So a particular period is covered up using the word during. During the class, students cannot talk during the class, means whatever the time span of the class. For example, 9 to 9:30, 9:40. So that 30-40 minutes is counted, and when that particular period is counted, we have to use during. I hope you might have understood this. Thank you so much.